Hey, good morning. It's getting ready to storm. I'm trying to get this done ahead of time. Today I got something for a few guys that I really love. I don't know if you can see it. Charger Chat Podcasts. If you're not watching that, it's a must see. Nicest people in the world. Three great guys. Please give them a shout out and give them a look. And if you watch them, you know I'm going to make today what we're going to call the Utah 2 special. So today I'm going to have a meatball sandwich for you guys with some homemade sauce. And I'm going to kick it up a little bit with some roasted jalapenos. So hang tight. I'll be right back and we'll get started. So first up, as you see in my charged up cam here, I got butter in there and just some avocado oil. I roasted some onions earlier, so I'm going to go ahead and slide those in. Then I also minced up and crushed some garlic. You can see on there I still have some jalapenos, but those are going to be at the sandwich top. So we're going to go ahead and let this get going. And then once this gets going, we're going to go ahead and put our fresh Roma tomatoes in there. So let me give that a few minutes and I'll be right back with you. All right, we're back. You can see my onions and garlic looking pretty toasty in there. And I apologize, there's some wind going on here. They're getting ready for, they say, an inch of rain tonight. So, okay, once you get this simmered up, I cook with a lot of wine. Just something I do. I'm going to pour that in there. And I'm just using some Zinfandel from Paso Robles, one of my favorite places. It's a Tobin James Zinfandel. And then, so these Romas, I boiled for about 5 minutes just to take the skin off. You can leave the skin on if you want, but I'm going to go ahead and pull it off right now. Some people don't like it in there. I'm just going to put these tomatoes in there. I don't know if I'll get them all in, but we're going to see what looks right. You can see the skin comes off really easy. You know, we might have enough. We might just do this one more. Because I got some other goodies to put in here. And I'm not liking one side of that one. It feels a little hard, so let's get another one. There we go. Like I say, if you don't get it all off, no worries. Just get everything in there that you can. One more. There we go. That one came off a lot better. And let's just crush these down a little bit. Break it up. You can get in there with your hand. Sometimes when you're tailgating, you don't have all the luxury of your home kitchen, so you have to make do with what you got. In a future video, I will pull out all my tailgate grill and my griddle and show you how we do it when we do it that way. I also have a little pizza oven to take on the road. Getting hot, guys. Getting hot in there. Take these off. Just crush this down a little bit. I'm going to let it simmer. I'm going to get some seasoning to put in here. But nothing like a fresh sauce with some fresh Roma tomatoes right out of the grocery store. Too bad I didn't go to one of the farm stands. There's quite a few around me. We want to let this cook down a little bit. And I don't know if you can hear it. It's raining right now. Luckily, I'm covered pretty much. All right. So I don't want to bore you with this. Let this simmer a little bit. And as you know, If I'm going to cook with wine, I'm going to drink some wine. I should have said cheers. That's an excellent Zinfandel from Tobin James. All right, we're going to let that boil. I'll be right back. Don't forget to check out the Charger Chat guys. 3 wonderful guys. So nice. Good people. How you doing? We've been going. Welcome back. We've been going a few minutes with this. You can see it's coming together. I'm going to add just a little bit of pink salt. And then a little bit of fresh ground pepper. There we go. And then I like to add some tomato paste. Try to get as much in there as we can. And then I also use this guy. I don't know if you can see that, but this is just a little bit more concentrated. Just a little squeeze here. Get that in there too. And we're going to mix all this and let all this simmer a little while. Oh, look at that. And I guess with the sauce, so you could use, I have a little, what do you call that, the little motorboat blender. I could blend all this up, but I want it to be a little chunky, a little rusted here. Look at that, doesn't that look good? So I also do the same sauce if I'm making a pizza. Sometimes I'll do my own dough. Sometimes I'll just buy some, even just some pita breads, just to make it quick and easy. All right, let's give that a few more minutes. I'm gonna have another sip, and then we're gonna come back, and then we'll get the rolls ready. Then we're gonna mix this in with the meatballs, and we'll be ready to go. All right, we're back. So this is just about ready. The only thing else I like to use, so I got some Rotella tomatoes. You can get this in mild or spicy or original. Today I got, since I'm doing the jalapenos on the sandwich, I'm going to go with the mild. I'm not going to use all this, but I'm just going to mix some of this in. I think the more flavors, the better. All right, let's get that mixed around. Okay, here we go. I got the meatballs out. Let me get my spoon. I'm just going to go ahead and get some of them in there. Now, I've never used these before. They were a little small, but I think we'll get it to work. I think we'll come up with a great sandwich here. All right, let's give that a little mix. See how we're looking. You have recipes you like to do at tailgates, or you have requests, let me know in the comments. I would love some great ideas. Let me know what your favorite team is. As you can tell, I'm a diehard Charger fan. You'll find me at SoFi. Not every home game, but I do have season tickets. But if I'm there, we'll be tailgating. I'm trying to do it more quick and easy this year, other than have a family tradition. My in-laws, my brother-in-law, sister-in-law, big Raider fans. So that game, we usually go down there with them. Big dinner that game. That game last year was filet, creme brulee, some Brussels sprouts with honey pepper and some bacon to die for. And we won. And we won every time we've gone. And so far. So got to keep up that tradition. But give me a second. We're going to come right back and we're going to put the roll together. All right, I got the rolls out. See, just regular roll. I'm going to get some butter on here first. If you can see it, or if you want to see it, it's just butter and bread. Not going very well. I probably shouldn't let you see it. Oh, there it goes. I'm gonna get the butter on there. We're gonna do both sides. And I don't know if you can see it. I have my regular grill out here. I'm gonna set it on there to get a little bit toastier while I butter the second roll. Never go wrong with butter. All right, let's get this one on the heat for a minute. And we're almost there. Give these guys another stir. Actually, I think my flame got blown out here. Let's make sure. Nope, it's going all right. Give that guy a stir. I'm getting a little steam, so it must be pretty warm. All right, I'm going to go ahead and shut this down and just move it off to the side so I can put my plate up there and show you how I assemble the sandwich. Plate. Here's the first bun. Get that open. So what goes on a meatball? You got to have provolone. So let's get some provolone on here. There we go. Get our spoon back. So now we're just going to reach in here and just get these guys going. Look at that. Okay. A couple extra meatballs in there. These guys are tiny. We don't want anyone going into the game hungry. Very expensive for food in SoFi. So once we got that on there, we got provolone already. I also like Havarti cheese. I'm going to throw some of that on top. Just a little bit. And then I'm going to bring over some of my jalapenos. I'm just going to lay these bad boys just across here. Like I said, these are on the grill. 15, 20 minutes roasting. And then after they roasted, I pulled them out and sliced them up. Finishing touch. A little bit of basil. What do you think? Pretty big sandwich. Let's see if we can't get it closed and get it cut for you guys. There we go. What do you think? Like I said, meatballs could be a little bit better. How's that look? Let's give it a taste test here. I want to make sure I get a jalapeno. Last one. That sauce is so fresh. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. You can see it's going to be a little messy. That's the only problem for a tailgate. If you could check out any of my other videos coming, I would appreciate it. If you could give me a like, that would be awesome. Thank you so much for joining Charged Up Cook. Can't wait to see you next time. Oh, here. Let me make you a sandwich.
You yummy?
I'm just saying.
Lordy.
I dropped that one.
Oh.
Not on the ground, but
Too much. Too big.
just take what you want.
No, jalapenos? Hello.